Hey everyone, and welcome to another Rosebud Live. It's Kier again as usual, and Jason. Hey Jason.
Hey everyone.
We've been testing different models over the past weeks: Grok 3, GPT 4.5, the new Claude Sonnet 3.7, and this time we want to take it a little bit easy and just make games, not complicated tutorials like adding Stripe or multiplayer to your games. And vibe coding has been a thing over the past weeks on X. People post a lot of fun games, flight simulators, RPGs, and many like arcades and whatnot that they built with AI. And that's what we want to do today. And I know, Jason, you have a prompt ready to fire and see how it's gonna do on Rosebud.
Yeah, sounds good.
So what are
All
you gonna
right.
make?
So we're gonna make like Kier was saying, start off with a flight sim. I have a prompt here that we were iterating on earlier. It's pretty much just create a casual, low poly World War One arcade flight combat game where let me go over here. It's kind of hard to read the prompt in here, but let me go back here. Yeah, it basically it says includes trees and fields and includes minimalist visuals and mission-based gameplay. So just basically a big list of all the stuff I want inside the flight sim. And we can just start right now. There we go.
Okay. All right. What else is popular these days on X, Twitter? Jason, do you have any recommendations?
Yeah, any game where you have like a person third person walking
Third
around.
person walking
Yeah,
around.
yeah, like
For
a
example,
cool
Minecraft.
environment. Minecraft's a classic example, but yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, what kind of Minecraft should we make this time? Um, we've been making Dune Minecraft for a long time, but I think it's time for something new. We have JD Blocks 100 saying hi. Hi there. Good to see you. Thanks for joining. All right. Well, I guess I'm gonna try to make um, maybe like a mix of Star Wars and Minecraft. Make Star Minecraft, and then see what it's gonna come up with.
Yeah, that'll be interesting.
Yep. All right. Yeah, you definitely have a big prompt. So, are you trying out like a few projects at the same time just to see
Yeah,
what's going to be best?
start out three, see which direction she goes in.
Okay, so that's kind of like your recommendation. Sometimes it's better to try a few projects right away, so you pick the best.
Exactly, yeah, because they can go in very different directions.
Okay, and sometimes if it starts off rocky, it's really hard to fix it. But
Sometimes, yeah.
yeah, so it might be easier to um, iterate on something that's already nice.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's see. Definitely a lot of code. Mine is also going strong.
Okay, let's see what we get.
Reminder that we stream every Monday and Thursday, and we have a lot of different streams. Some of them are tutorials on how to make things on Rosebud. Some of them are tests of models, or kind of talking about topics related to AI and game development.
Mm-hmm.
By the way, here's my Star Wars Minecraft.
Let's
Okay,
see.
well, it's something. uh, Click
Mm.
mouse. Very interesting. We have
On the
a
moon.
moon. Yeah, it's a little hard to move. Like I actually cannot really. You can activate the lightsaber. Oh wow, there's
Oh.
a lightsaber. That's fun. Um,
Mm.
but yeah, I think the UX is a little broken. All right, I'm gonna switch to you in the meantime. Oh wow,
Okay.
okay, you definitely got a flight simulator.
We got our first one.
Damn,
Oh,
what? This is literally the first prompt.
yes, it is.
Oh wow,
As
can you show full screen?
as I can. Okay, pretty good start. Yeah, we got flying feels actually pretty good. I mean, the controls are inverted a bit, but it feels good to actually move around. So that's good. You have some houses and you have trees and the clouds. Also, the
That's
other
very
planes
impressive.
all can go in the ground. Okay,
Damn.
cool.
Okay.
So we start iterating on this. It says destroy enemy aircraft, but I don't know how I do that. So space to shoot. Use no, I can shoot. Bullets are coming out.
Yeah. Oh wow.
Can I shoot at the opponents? Okay, I have to try and shoot them.
Hmm.
Oh, okay. If you hit them, you lose. That's cool.
Nice. Wow, that's actually pretty impressive. So you have 3 versions of this one, right? Did you check the
Yes.
others? Is it the best one?
Okay,
Okay.
this one is coming in. Okay, let's see.
Oh, wow.
This one is okay. This one actually the controls on this one. Okay, I can't turn, but
Hmm.
yes, this one's a bit worse because no objectives and I can't actually turn around. I mean, the plane looks good and I can fly. Good first step. Is this infinite world too?
Hmm.
This one, I think I might be generating the world as I go to the edge. So
Wow.
this one's the performance is not as good on this one. That's we can fix that easily.
Not optimized. Okay. What
Not
about
yet,
the
yeah.
last one?
And last one is what is going on? So in this one, like what? Okay, so the enemy planes are actually flying around a lot, which is cool. But the camera is not following me. I'm controlling the red plane right now, but I can't actually. If I leave, I'm not gonna be able to see properly. The enemy flying is really good in this.
Hmm.
Yeah, so I don't know
Wow.
which one to build on.
Well, the first one was pretty cool.
Okay, I guess if you can get the enemies to fly like they do in this one, but in this one, like you said, that'll be good. Okay, so first thing I need to do is I need to fix the inverted controls.
So that's a typical issue, right? So for a lot of
Yeah,
projects, you get this.
yeah,
Do you know why?
we're gonna yeah. The reason why is just that right now on weird it can happen. This can happen a lot with where it's pretty much it's not clear what the starting orientation is of everything. So there'll be kind of like a guesswork at the beginning. What's the right
Mhm.
orientation for things? And then sometimes you're like Rosie will guess right, sometimes she'll guess wrong. We're going to be improving that though, so she'll know exactly what it is for your project. You don't have to worry. But that is sometimes you get unlucky and then she'll assume right away, oh, it's this. Like, and then you have to then flip everything at the beginning of your project. Yeah. So
Wow.
we know the reason. It's just like because different like for our projects right now it's 3JS for 3D, and if it was a different engine or a different tool or you're using for 3D, whether it's a game engine or whatever, they can have completely different orientations that things are at the beginning. Like is
All
Y
right.
up or is Y left to right or is it forward? All that stuff is like it could change depending. It's not the same for every single 3D environment. But we're gonna make that easier in terms of Rosie knowing exactly what the right orientation is to start soon.
Okay.
Okay, so let's try. Right now the controls are inverted. Please fix.
All right.
Also,
Let's see.
let's see if she can fix it. At least the plane it seems to be oriented properly though. Wait, no, the propeller's on the wrong side, isn't it? Can't even see.
All right. In the meantime, I fixed my controls ish. It's not
Okay,
perfect, but
let me
it's
see.
something. I wonder what this. Uh, yeah. I mean. Oh no. Okay. I see. So I can actually move around as well. Yeah. Interesting. What was it trying to even do here? Yeah, the controls are also a little unintuitive. So it's actually, if depending on where I'm looking at, um, WASD, they kind of like not
Oh
related.
yeah,
I'm looking at,
mm,
you know how
yeah,
to
I know what
fix
you're
that.
talking about. Yeah,
Also, look, it moves me back to the land at some point. It's so interesting. And the lightsaber is here, which is cool.
it's not attached to the camera.
Yeah, I
Oh,
don't
it
even
is
know.
kind of.
Yeah, gosh. All right. Make it prettier. Just let's start with that and see if it can help. All right, switching back to you.
Okay, well, the controls are fixed now. See, so let's do something else. Okay, so now we've got the controls back to normal. Let's say make enemies have a cool flight pattern. Right now, they just Float. Oh, float slowly. Now I'm going to make the enemies have cool flight pattern because right now they're not really doing anything.
Okay. All right. So I'm definitely having a lot of changes right now.
Make it prettier, right?
Yep. Let's see if it goes through.
Okay.
It actually did. Whoa. Not only it's prettier, definitely more impressive.
Let me see.
I mean, it just changed the color basically. The lightsaber is very similar. Nothing really changed. But hey, okay, that's something. All right, I guess I'm going to try to fix that. Fix mouse. Make sure move toward. Let's see if that helps. All right, Jason, what are you up to? You kind of have like already game that's working.
Yeah. I'm just trying to make enemies actually fly around more. I think they just flew away, actually. One enemy's not really flying, and they're the ones that flew away. So I had to figure that out. Right now, the two of the enemies and two of the enemies just flew away. Please fix.
All right.
So we get. Yeah, once the enemies are flying around properly, then we can try to make a prettier prompt.
All right, so I actually fixed the controls much better now. I'm just like the only thing. So look, for some reason it like moves me to the initial location. Like, look, I walk around and then it just does something.
Yeah, just like code to like if you fall off the world to go back to start.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can remove that. Yeah, sometimes.
Something happens. Like, look, even like showing some information in the left bottom.
Mm.
Yeah, it does. It only happens if I point somewhere.
Yeah, Rosie probably can figure out what you're setting.
Yeah.
You can just get rid of all the resetting.
I don't know. Make sure the game is not being reset. Let's say. Let's see if that helps.
Hold on. Make the plane easier to control. Yeah, right now, I turn so quickly, so it's hard to control the plane. So
Mm,
ask Rudy to make the plane easier to control, so I can actually aim better and shoot these guys.
okay.
Okay, let's see what Rosie is done. Oh, yeah, this is better.
Whoa. Jason, as usual, you're way ahead of me. Hmm.
China.
You know what? In the meantime, I'm just gonna try to make another one.
Yeah, it might be good. This might be a good time to reset. Like Kira was saying, if the start is not greatest, if you don't have the greatest start, you can actually save lots of time by just restarting and trying to have a better start point.
All right, I'm gonna try to make a Star Wars Minecraft with a spaceship specifically. So let's see if that helps. Right. So I was trying to fix the reset thing. It still flashes and like sends me back. Just don't really know why it's doing that. It's really frustrating. Look, click to lock mouse.
me see. What are you trying to fix right now?
So for some reason, when I like click the mouse, like move around a little, it's fine now. Like, yeah, it still jumps me back.
Okay, I see. It's like oh yeah, it's like mouse capture, pointer lock.
Yeah. So, anyways, I'm trying to fix that. Let's see. Stay sequence in height. Entering the galaxy far away. Yeah, it's still.
Yeah.
I like the movement overall.
You can just try a prompt like the game isn't capturing my mouse.
The game isn't captured my mouse. Let's see. I'm switching to you.
Trying to. The movement's a bit weird. It's like almost as if the game is trying to help me track enemies, and sometimes you can kind of go against my movement. But oh, I got a bug when error when I shot someone. So let's see if Rosie can fix that.
All right, I'm gonna make the map bigger in the meantime. I think I still have that bug, but I'm struggling to understand why it happens. Like, there's this specific place where it happens, but or maybe when I try to move around, yeah, and it's showing something, and then it just reloads.
Interesting.
All right, I'm also going to make it a third-person view.
Nice.
I have a bigger map now. It looks kind of cool. Yeah, I just prefer to actually see the character. All right, so you know what's really funny? So I was making the spaceship one, and look, Star Wars Minecraft Space Adventure, pitch, yaw, roll. Okay, so it actually made a very similar flight simulator to
That's
what
good.
you're doing. Yeah,
That flying looks
and
smooth.
that's actually pretty smooth. Yeah, what?
Yeah, it looks smoother than mine right now. So.
Right, what if I crash into any of these? Oh no, I can't. Yeah, it's a little hard to move around as well. I don't want to say controls are intuitive, but it's not too bad. Hey, for just one prompt, and that was not like a really complicated prompt, so. All right, well, I would say. Oh, you see, it also started from. You know, something interesting. It's the same here as well. Look, it just like starts. Look, it just. Whenever I click two buttons or something, you see it starts over again.
Oh.
Same in my first game. Huh. It's like the same bug. All right, well, let me say, for some reason, the game starts over and over again. Fix it. I don't know. Let's see. All right, what are you up to, Jason?
Well, just make bullets a bit more, like, makes it more clear when I'm shooting.
Okay.
Just better. I still don't know if I can actually shoot anyone or not. But at least people are trying to actually avoid. Oh, that guy just crashed because I shot him? I don't know.
Okay. Also, I wanted to add that we have a Discord server where you can have help from our power users, from our teammates, and we are going to be switching to Rosebud Launch Channel on our Discord, where you can join us and hang out and also build something. So yeah, we're probably going to do that in a few minutes.
Solid.
Wow. Okay, I have something really weird right now. In my first game, look,
What? Is the
the
game
whole
resetting?
game is glitching. I don't know.
Can you move around?
I barely, like only a little bit for some reason.
Okay. Wait, but is it resetting into the starting spot every time?
No, like right now I'm just
Oh,
stuck in one place.
weird.
Yeah. Activate lightsaber. Yep. All right. Meantime, I have the second project. Okay, so I think the second project was fixed, so that's positive. All right. Let's see. Let's say make prettier, because I think there's definitely an opportunity to make the project a little bit better looking. Okay, switching to Jason.
Yeah, so it's cool now. The game actually has a mechanic where when you shoot enemy planes, they get hit and they start to fall. So I used to just make that more spawn in because the ones that are in the game at the start get defeated too quickly.
Okay.
And I think we're almost done. I mean, it still doesn't feel good to control the. Oh, it feels okay to control the plane. It's a lot of like barrel rolls and stuff, but it can be a bit annoying to go up and down.
Hmm. All right, so I'm I'm having even more issues now. I think something just went wrong. But hey, whenever that happens, you can always go back. And let's see which one worked well.
Yeah,
So,
when this happens, say something like no chatty. What happened is just at the end of the response, Rosie tried to say something to summarize and just got stuck.
mhm.
And just try to clear memory or say no chatty so she doesn't try and add the extra stuff at the end.
Okay, well, I'm gonna just say make it third person.
Oh wait, Kira, are you showing the wrong tab? No.
Sorry. I guess yeah. I meant to share this one. So I
Oh,
jumped to history because, like, yeah, my project was like absolutely crazy. So like this,
hmm.
I really don't know what's happening. So I just reverted back to some version that was just first person view. So let's see if that helps. Oh, I see what you mean. So in this second project, yeah, make
Yeah,
it
that last
prettier.
response. Yeah.
I think it was just a lot of code here. So maybe that's. Oh, there was also like some issue, I think. All right, let's see. Let's see if it does it this time. So what are you doing right now, Jason?
Yeah. Right now, just now I have lots of enemy planes, which is cool. Even Rosie added bonus time when I destroy enough planes.
Wow. Okay, so you already have a functional game. Okay, so I have like this ground flashing, so I'm trying to fix that. Flashing box issue is likely caused by Z fighting between the overlapping blocks. Okay. No idea. Oh, I'm showing the wrong, the wrong screen again. Okay, so this is a prettier version of mine. It does look better. I don't want to say like much better, but and here my blocks are still flashing.
Maybe try asking her to overhaul the block creation or blocks placement.
I'm gonna overhaul the block creation. Let's see if that helps. Yeah, something is like very unsettling happening. Right click to rotate the camera, mouse wheel to zoom. Yeah. Okay, Jason, are you just like playing there now? Wow,
Right
so
now,
fun. You
yeah,
have a functional game.
yeah, it's pretty good. I'm trying to add like a boost feature so you can go faster, since they're almost as fast as me. So
All right, well, in my second project, I'm just asking to add some NPCs that I can kill. All right, so ally, we have a few comments. Looks fun. Bye. Well, thanks for joining. Bye bye. And NDO64 says, in the planned game, can you drop bombs? I guess in the planned game. All right,
oh, yeah,
Jason.
that's good. That's a good idea. I'm going to add that right now.
Yeah, but I guess we don't really have anyone on the ground, so there has to be someone.
Yeah, that's actually good. How can we do this? Maybe okay. Maybe we should add enemies at the. If you go too low, people shoot at you. So you have to bomb them.
All right.
That's a good idea. But look at this doke here. Like when I added a shift to boost, and look what happens when I boost.
Oh wow! What?
That's cool. It's like a cool
That is
dynamic
very
camera
cool.
thing. I did not ask for that at all.
That's awesome. Like reminds me of GTA, like San Andreas.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah,
Yeah, when you do a trick.
exactly.
Gosh, that's funny.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna add those people on the ground. Who asked for that?
NDO64.
Okay, NDO. I'm adding or yes.
Watching us on YouTube. Also, we have Sean waiting in Rosebud Lounge, so let's actually move there real quick. Have tanks on the ground. Also, the
Tanks.
suggestion.
Nice.
Yep.
Yeah, good idea.
All
Add
right, we
enemy
have
tanks on the ground. That should us if we're too close. Once we have the tanks, we then add in the bomb.
Yep. All right, Jason, let's move to Discord real quick. So
Yes, yeah, sounds good.
Sean's not alone.
Sure.
Hey, Sean.
Hello.
Hello. All right, just everyone, if you're watching us on Twitch or LinkedIn or X or YouTube, you can actually join us in Discord, Rosebud Lounge channel. Ready here with Sean. Jason is back right now.
Hey.
Yes. Here you go. Yeah, Jason is.
Yeah, the game today has been pretty great.
Jason is doing way better than me.
You guys have a really good knack for making like flying games, dude. This is crazy. You're like in a World War II game, man. This is like Battlefield. This would be like a killer game on robots.
Yeah, it is pretty good.
World stuff.
Wow. What the animation?
Wow.
I just crashed. Okay.
That's awesome. This is definitely inspiring stuff, dude. I don't know how you're gonna get out of this one.
Yeah, this is a bit tight. I don't even think they can shoot me. They're just trying to ram me because they can't actually shoot yet.
That would be pretty cool to add. I think that would definitely add to like the cinematic feel.
Yeah, good idea. I have to add my tanks.
Right.
Yep.
Tanks. Okay. Yep.
Yeah, that was
Gotta have someone to bomb.
serious request. Adding tanks, so we gotta do it.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
It's gonna be a big change for Rose just to retry.
Whoa, that boost looks so good.
I know, it's crazy. Again, I didn't even ask for that, but yeah, once I add tanks and the bomb, I'm gonna put it in chat for anyone to clone.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, one thing I want to add is like a kill cam.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
I really think Rosie could do it. Like you can
Mhm.
watch these dudes ramming you down out of the air. So cool.
Okay,
Oh,
split
no.
change. Let's split it into pieces. Add tanks on the ground that shoot at me. Then cool, but yeah, but do this in steps. Start with step 1. If you have a complex change where it's not getting applied, like maybe one or two tries in a row, I recommend just asking Rosie to do it in steps and asking for step 1. Because usually it's just a really big change, so that she'll have a much higher success rate if you just say, hey, just do step 1. Then she'll tell you, oh, this is step 2. Then you say, sure, go ahead, do step 2. Then usually that's enough. If it's a really big one, maybe she'll need step 3 or 4. But it's a pretty good way of getting big, massive changes that are not working in one prompt to work.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. If this next one doesn't work, I'll just link it right now, so at least I'm not holding people up to clone it. See if she gets it. Still a pretty big one.
This could be a pretty fast-paced action game too. I wonder if like it could be a 60-second game.
60 seconds?
In 60 seconds, you have to like get as many aircraft down as you can, and like every time you get one down, you get 5 seconds back on your timer. It's like gotta keep going, going.
Okay, yeah, sure, let's try actually. Also, the tags are here, so it worked. She did it in one step, even though I asked for a step. She said she still did it one. Okay, but they're shooting at me.
Oh my gosh, it's so cool.
It hit me because finally somebody actually shoot me. Now I have to actually make the end. Whoa.
Oh. Yeah, this looks so much cooler.
Okay, I will clone the shares right now.
Cool.
Okay, so what should you call this?
Oh.
60 seconds, I know.
Okay.
Like
So wait,
60
it's about a
seconds story.
flying. It's about wait. We have a ton of stuff in the air. Bombs in the sky.
What was in the sky?
Yeah, something like that.
Sure, that sounds good to me. Take a screenshot. Wait. Need a better screenshot.
I
Let's go
definitely
on
wait for
screenshot.
the booster, man. Like the cam and the angle. I don't know what makes Rosie like have the cam from the side, but that's what you know.
Yeah, I have no idea.
There it is. That's a screenshot.
Yeah. No, oh, what happened? Oh, okay, just crashed. It happens when I try and boost it. That's when I get.
Oh no. Let's see if I can screenshot it. Try to go for a boost.
Oh, you're taking a screenshot? Sure, thank you.
Jason, oh, so you have the tanks. Okay, so NDO, we got the tanks. Do you see them?
Yes, we do.
Oh wow. Yeah, keep doing it, keep doing it. This is cool.
I ran out of. I have to recharge my gas.
Okay, so I got one.
You got one?
I think
Okay.
I got one. I think you should try again. There's
Okay.
potential for absolutely something beautiful here.
Okay, I keep crashing.
Never mind. I'll just drop this one. All right,
You going?
here you go.
Let me see.
Yep.
Is it in the chat?
This
Yeah, there we go.
for the
Thank you.
Rosebud lunch.
Okay. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
I'll publish this.
Rose is like amazing at using the cam to like make your game look awesome. I think
Mm.
that's like a very underrated feature, but kind of wish there was like a screenshot feature so everyone could get like free previews or something.
Mm. Okay, let me put that in the chat. Okay, put it in the chat.
Let's try this out. Okay, yeah. Alright, let's actually, I'll screen share so you can see the authentic player experience, you know. Never done this before. Is this actually easy peasy? Okay. So from the start, a little confused about the controls. Alright, so arrow keys to move. Probably want a full screen. There we go. Alright, so whoop, 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 whoop. Okay, so there's a lot of people all over me. Please give me a break. Give me a break. Alright, so I want to fire back.
Yeah, you gotta like turn around and then quickly like hit
Space.
Oh, they're all, yeah, they're all behind you.
Yeah. Alright.
Okay.
Oh, I got one!
Nice.
To get away. Okay.
You have to
I
boost
need
the
a
way to get
booster.
to space.
How do
So shift.
shift? Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
There you go. Oh, there you go. You got hit.
Okay. Try again. How to
Alright.
try again?
Well, no restart feature yet, so you might have to
Restart.
press
Got
the page.
it. Okay. Typical. This is a Rosebud game right off the bat.
Hi.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, hey. Jason
Go,
just
go,
made
go.
a super cool, like, space battle game, dude. Space? I don't know. We're actually in like World War II. I'm like in a fighter jet. I'm learning everything there is about dominating the airwaves. Oh my god,
That's
get
really
off me.
cool.
Yeah. It's so cool. Oh no. Alright, and the coolest feature is right here. So you can like they'll all get on you and you're like, how do I get out of this? And you
Oh,
wow. Whoa!
that's
And
so
then
cool.
shoot him down. It's actually my favorite game this week, dude. Yes. Alright,
Is this
so
what
yeah.
you guys made today?
Yeah, this was like four prompts. There wasn't even that many.
Wow,
Yeah.
that's cool.
Right. This is fire. As far as like what it needs that it doesn't have yet, definitely sound effects. So that's where I'll start.
It is.
Okay, so I definitely have some sounds just in like all my stuff on Rosebud. So sound. Let's see. That's a solid explosion. All right, so
No.
first-
I need that for my. I need to add the bomb now. I need that sound.
Right. I'll add it and then maybe you could clone it. So the next step
Yeah,
is
sure.
when my ship dies, please play this sound effect. Then I'll link the sound explosion. So that's gonna be awesome. Let's see what else we got in store. Jingle bells? Hell no.
Yeah.
Oh, that could be cool. Like a whoosh. Maybe whenever. Let's see what would that fit? Maybe when you shoot, there should be a whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Okay. There's just so much potential here.
Oh, that one's a good one.
That's when I hit another ship.
Exactly.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. Well, you need like an
Alright, try
explosion
and take me
effect
down. For what?
for that explosion. Like you need there needs to be some visuals for that now.
Oh, there it is.
There you go. Yeah. There you go.
Alright, so when we die, please make an explosion area of effect visual. And that's just gonna make this look amazing. Now, as far as sounds, definitely want to have like the out of the sky. Every time I hit someone, that'd be satisfying. So, one thing, just gotta add this is something request, please. Whenever Rosie's typing code, I can't write my next prompt. This is very annoying. I really wish I could just start typing in this box right away. So I have the next idea, but I just have to go over to the Assets tab and start typing my next prompt, which is add a sound effect for when I hit another ship in the game. And then boom, and I'll copy paste it, and I'll go over here, and then it's still processing.
Yeah, I see what you mean. Thanks for bringing that up.
Sure. This is a very small quality of life thing that literally just game changer.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're back to this, and check me out. Try. Let's see what happens. There's a little, there's a little shockwave. Look at that.
My goodness.
Yeah, it's awesome. Alright, try to get me. Alright, cool.
We still need this to be more dramatic. We need like an actual crazy visual for that.
Alright, crazy visual. Okay, let's just tell Rizzy that so many errors, I have to go back a second. The expanding shockwave ring words. The expanding shockwave ring effect should should last much longer and be a big ball, like an explosion. Alright, and save the sound effect for later. Let's check this out. Yeah, I feel like you got like a really strong base for the game, but the mechanics are solid. So at this point, it's just like, well, sick factor, right? Like, it's just make this look awesome, and sound awesome. What? I just clicked right through them. That's it. Alright, let's get that again. What? Clicked right through them again. Boom!
Nice.
Like it. And then now it's just down to the other sound effects.
Jason, I sent the project I was working on. Maybe you can improve some of the things, because I mean it's pretty similar to what you made. Okay, we also have, is Rosebud able to make its own animation by just me showing it a video, or like a dog jumping and me telling Rosebud to copy the animation for that character? The short answer is no. Because animations are not necessarily games. But yeah, I think technically a video can be converted into a GIF and then it can be uploaded. I don't know. You guys have any better suggestions?
Yeah, it depends on what they mean. Like if they mean like going from a video of the dog to like a 3D dog that's animated, then no. But like Kira was saying, if it's more like you want the actual video itself to be in the game, then yeah, definitely. Or if you want to convert it into something that can be in the game, like a GIF or whatever, that has no background. People have done that too.
Okay.
Depends on what you mean, yeah.
I figure he's more talking about like the video to video kind of thing. So maybe like how can I take this video I have on my phone and then make that like integrated into my game as something a character is doing.
Okay.
As far as that, I think the best approach is you might want to trust Rosie that she can take a small description of something and actually make it work.
Mm-hmm.
But I think the person's trying to make an animation from a video.
Yeah,
So-
I'm not sure that's gonna work.
Yeah.
But you can
Yeah,
describe
there
the
are
video.
there are tools you can use though, and then for
Mhm.
that are specializing in that, because that's a pretty tough thing to do. But there are platforms specializing in that, and you can then take the completed animated assets and bring it to Rosebud to actually make the game.
Yep.
People do that. If you want, let's, for example, the same thing goes for any asset. If you want to make a detailed, complex asset, then it might not be best to make that on Rosebud. It might be best to make it in a tool that specializes in that kind of asset creation. Then bring the result over so you can make a game with it.
Mhm.
If that's what you're doing, if what Sean described is what you're going for.
I found my favorite part about this game, and it's all in the boost. I can just whap, 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 whap. I can whap them out of the sky. I want to do it again. One more. Let's go. Wait. I gotta bait them all. Kind of like zombies, Call of Duty. All right, so get them all together, and then wait. Just whap, 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 whap. All right, and then do it again. Right, boost is gonna recharge. No, dude. That's actually very satisfying. Even if I die, I'm impressed. I can whap people while I'm dead. Very cool. Alright, so I think there should be like a really cool like music that should play all the time. This would be very cool.
Jason,
So,
what are you up to, Jason? Oh, you checking the game I made?
Yes, I am. Let's see.
Yeah, so like you immediately being destroyed.
Oh, those
Oh.
enemy ships look really good. Goodness.
Yeah.
okay.
I can't move right now though. I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, that's also a confusing part. It was,
Yeah,
you know what?
these-
It was moving for me, I think.
Hmm.
Something changed, I guess.
I kind of move. Yeah, but I'm kind of like stuck.
Like very slow, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. See that.
These enemy ships look crazy good. Goodness.
Mm-hmm.
They're so cool. This is very like Star Wars vibes. I mean, it's just unbelievable that she knows how to do it. His movement's a little kind of like one-dimensional.
Yeah, no, we can iterate on the movement, but like the shooting's good. I can aim properly.
Yep.
And
There's
the
a
ships
ton
look
going
crazy
for it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, ideally to have like a proper
Lighting
aim.
is awesome.
Yeah.
Let's try remixing it.
Yeah, getting aim down is definitely difficult, but it's a good spot.
This is great.
So it's technically Star Wars Minecraft, but it's not Minecraft at all, I guess. Doesn't look like Minecraft.
It's time that I gotta get going. It is a lot of fun. And
Sounds good.
Keep it up, boys.
Sounds good. Yeah, thanks for joining, Sean.
Yeah, thanks for joining as usual.
Okay. I'm just gonna try a few prompts to try and get the movement fixed.
Okay.
In this.
Coco, how are you doing? Since you're here. Maybe he's not here anymore.
Yeah, I can ping him in chat too. I mean, he's deafened right now, so
Hmm.
you can't hear him yet.
It's okay. Where was
You can
that?
just ask him. You can ask him in chat.
That looks like a lot of changes.
Yes, it is. Yeah. I did overhaul the movement, so.
Hmm.
Hey, Toxic, how's it going?
Hey guys, how are you?
Doing well. Just vibe coding.
Well, we just made a flight sim combat game. Look at shot over here. Not this one. let me go back before these errors. Not here, there. Yeah, I was just in the error loop, so I'm trying to go back to those. Let's go back. Where was I?
Hmm.
Here? Yeah, it was here. This is okay. So we got to about here. I mean, Sean added like some cool sound effects and stuff to his own version since he remixed. Essentially, have this enemy planes are spawning. In this new version, actually added the enemy shooting, so they can shoot at you too. So it's a bit hard. Yeah, but anyway, let's get back.
It's very cool.
Oh, got a error here. Try that again. But do it in steps. Do only step one.
Guess that's what you sometimes say.
Yeah, it is the most reliable way to like go from having a response that's not working, it's not being applied, to getting it's to apply without having to actually do something different. Because basically, just making the job of this one prompt smaller by just saying, "Hey, just do steps, do step one." Instead of trying to do it, because sometimes something might just be going wrong because one small thing that she's doing is hard, and the rest of it's actually working fine. And you don't want it to be like the whole response just can't be applied because of that. Yeah, but we are planning to make it that Rosie takes care of that on her own, doing the right steps. But right now, if you have a big change and it's like, oh, it's not applying, this is the best way. Unless you want to change, you have a choice of either you change the prompt to something else, or you break it into steps like this.
Got it. That's interesting.
Sometimes you just retry. You just say the same thing again. Sometimes that works, but I mean more like if you try like 3 times and still not applying.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, she said, step 1 implements the core flight model with realistic flight physics. Key changes include lots of stuff. Let's see. Oh, let me just focus. Okay, so right now I was flying forward right now.
Well, that's good. That's something.
I can't turn.
Yeah, it goes to say how important it is to have a good start of the project.
Oh yeah.
And yeah, it's a little random depending on how sophisticated your prompt is. So in the beginning, you showed the prompt, like the prompt you used was like a shorter version of a very, very complex prompt. What are the main points you mentioned in that one?
Yeah, I'll go open it up right now. The prompt was, yeah, I'll paste it in here.
Okay.
It was create a casual, low poly World War I arcade flight combat game. Players pilot a biplane through bright blue skies, puffy clouds. I just said what's going to be in the world, villages, fields, etc. And I said include minimalist visuals. So really, most of the work was done by that first line, which is the low poly World War I arcade flight combat game.
Mm-hmm.
So there's a bit of chance to how the first response, how high quality the flight is. And honestly, like again, the key thing, if you only remember one thing from this stream in terms of advice, it's to basically focus on that first line, and then whatever the result is, judge whether you want to continue from here or not.
Mm-hmm.
You'll save a lot of time and effort and prompts. Just saying, hey, this one didn't start off well. I'm gonna it mainly to do with the actual function though. If the visuals don't look good at the start, that's okay, but the actual gameplay should work pretty well right away. Otherwise, you probably should just restart. Because making things look better afterwards is relatively easy, but making things like function later after it's already you spend lots of time making it look good, it's actually can be very hard.
I see. Okay, so gameplay is more important. So if you having like 3 tries, just pick the one with the best gameplay, and then you can make it actually look better. Hmm.
You make it look better. Just make it prettier. Makes it almost a few times can make any project look good, pretty much.
Okay. All right. So does it work now? Because I think you implemented the second suggestion, second step, or something.
Let's see.
Oh, you can move, right? Like, oh.
This is weird. I can kind of move. So it's getting disrupted. I'm like kind of jiggling around.
Not perfect.
Overhaul. Movement. Still. Yeah. Also, asking for overhauls can help too. If you really don't want to restart, you could ask for overhauls where she just trashes the current implementation of something to do it, because sometimes Rosie can respect your current code too much. It's like, she's like, your flight works this way, so I'm just gonna try and tinker with it. But you're like, hey, I just want to just make it work, so I'm okay if you throw away the whole flight implementation that's there right now. Overhaul movement, I still can't fly around, change whatever you need to change.
Okay.
Let's see what she says.
Yeah, that's interesting.
I'll completely overhaul the flight movement to get more intuitive, responsive flight. Okay.
So does she leave remnants of the old one in there, or does she completely delete that code and then go over the top of it? So is she actually deleting line, 97, 98, 99, and then rewriting those lines, or is she just adding to this?
No, she rewrites all the time. Yeah.
Okay.
Sometimes things can linger around though, especially if your code is not organized well, fortunately. But she can rewrite, yeah, and she does.
Wow, that's a lot of changes.
Yeah, I was gonna say. I'm back, by the way.
Hey.
Hey.
Sorry, I just had a call.
No,
But
no problem.
I don't know if you saw the tool that I posted yesterday.
No,
but I'm
no.
pretty excited about using this and seeing if other people will have use out of it.
What tool?
It's like it's a Comfy inspired tool.
Yeah.
So we have like a node system to organize the prompt chain of whatever you decide to create. I have an example here where I have 3 different AIs and it's just going through this this process. So I asked one AI to create a list and then another to describe each item on the list, and then another AI to create a short story about all the items on the list. And then I can test the flow right away.
That looks like Unreal Engine to me. Is that what that is? Like what program are you using for that?
This
I've
is
used that before.
This is on Rosebud.
Is it?
Yeah, this is what I created on Rosebud.
Oh wow, okay.
So the idea here is to test flows, and not only that, but to be able to export the code and give it to Rosie and be like, hey, put this into my app and game. It makes it a little easier to kind of like think out the process of
Oh, wow.
prompt stuff. So like I remember working with that anything versus Rosie, there's a couple of prompt chaining flows to it and it's kind of confusing. So like this way, like I can like work with it and test with it in this this tool before I like implement it into my game.
Nice, yeah. I see what you mean.
Wow, that's very cool.
Especially if something gets
is
complicated, you can
cool.
add like so much more stuff, and I have special functions called instruct. You can include context that won't be included in their history. Or add system user assistant message, a couple things. But yeah, that's what I've been working on the past couple of days. I really wanted to show y'all because
No, that's awesome.
I've been
Yeah,
working hard on it.
looks really good. I noticed that the lines sometimes overlap the windows on top, but that's the only.
Yeah.
It's fine. You opened up a lot of those. All right.
It should be an easy fix too.
Yeah.
Exactly.
But
Yeah.
yeah, thanks for.
All right, Jason, showing your progress, and we are at 1 hour of our stream, and it's been 1 hour of vibe coding with AI on Rosebud. So okay, well, this works way better. Good job, Jason.
Yeah.
Oh wow,
The overhaul prompt did work.
Wow,
looks
Now it
great.
the laser stuff is
Arrow
looking
keys
beautiful.
work too.
Okay, so we have 2 functional flight simulators, and I'm pretty sure a lot can be added to the game, because right now it's definitely a little bare bones, but you have the enemies, you have this one is way more fun, like with the boost and whatnot, and the tanks as requested. It's awesome.
That's
Yes.
so cool.
Yep. All right,
We didn't add our prompt on time, but that's okay.
it's pretty cool. All right, everyone, thanks for joining us and watching the stream. We are going to be back on Thursday, and we stream every Monday and Thursday. Reminder that you can join us on Discord, just like Coco and Toxic. Yeah, we can just hang out together, build games, and chat about your projects. So see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.
See y'all.